Oh my god! It's Henry the Green Engine 1951 police! Lots of people were waiting at the station just before the bridge. They wanted to see what would happen. Henry's driver said, "Well, that's all right, Henry. Now, you got plenty of ashes. Now, keep all the windows shut until we cross the bridge." Henry is as excited as we are. Aren't you, old fella? Eh? And he patted Henry's boiler. Henry didn't answer. He was feeling just a bit stuffed up. But he went, "Oh, he was already feeling like sneezing. The guard waved his flag and blew his whistle. And they were off. Soon, in the distance, they saw the bridge. Yes, the boys were there, and they all had stones. Henry's driver said, "Are you ready then, Henry? Now, sneeze hard when I tell you. Ready? Steady. Now." And he turned the handle, and Henry went, Smoke and steam and ashes spouted from his funnel. They went all over the bridge and all over the boys, who ran away as broadcast.